Basic e-com store owners, if you're using email marketing, how do you measure whether or not your email click rates are actually performing? In the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to diagnose your click rates, whether they're good or not, and how to fix them. And so after you watch this video, you're going to be able to go and optimize your email click rates by making some simple tweaks. So if you're not tracking your email click rates right now, you're actually missing out a lot. This is the best time to focus on the email marketing click rates. Most people are checking their emails constantly and absorbing all that content now more than ever. And they might be reading your emails, but they're not clicking inside your emails after they read them, or they don't know where to go. They're not taking the next action you want them to take. If you know how to get the click rates up, it's actually a great way to build a sustainable brand in the long term and help you increase your email attributed revenues. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Vivian Tse and I'm your email marketing strategist. I bring you nothing but value, no fluff, and just straight up strategies that you can implement after watching every single one of my videos. I've helped businesses increase their monthly email recurring revenues by over 20x, which is over 2,000%. And today you're going to be able to improve your email click rates. So all you're going to do is you're going to go and analyze your current email performance, right? The click rates, and you're going to identify the key areas that need improvement. Most of us know who our audience is, and this is the best way to go. We know which audience we should send our emails to. And you'll be able to see whether or not your content is actually going to resonate with your audience. So how do we know whether our emails are resonating with our audience, right? If with your subscribers. The first KPI that I'm going to track is whether I'm getting a CTR of at least 1.47%. CTR is the percentage of email recipients who clicked on one or more links or buttons in your emails. If my CTR is below 1.47%, I'm probably going to pull that email out and try another approach. That means my content or my CTA, my call to action buttons, is not resonating with my audience. Okay, so the second KPI that I'm tracking, the key performance indicator, is the click to open rate, CTOR. CTOR measures the percentage of people who clicked a link after opening the email. I aim for a CTOR of 6 to 17%, depending on the industry. If my CTOR is lower, it suggests that while my subject line might be effective getting people to open the email, the content within the email or the action I want them to take, such as the CTA or the links or the buttons, needs improvement. So I know what you're thinking right now. Vivian, how can I improve these metrics, CTOR and CTR? I recommend focusing on your email content, ensuring that it's engaging and valuable, and making sure your CTAs are clear and compelling. So those are the two KPIs that I'm tracking to see whether or not my email content is resonating with my ideal audience. If my CTR or CTOR is not meeting my benchmarks, I'm going to revise my content, experiment with different CTAs, or try segmenting my audience differently. That's what I'm going to be doing throughout my email campaigns and creating these email newsletters. If you're ready to look deeper into the email marketing KPIs and see if your current emails meet the benchmarks, there's actually other email marketing KPIs you can use to increase the performance of your email marketing. So you can see if your current emails meet. So if you want to see the benchmark of all these KPIs, just drop a comment below, and I've got a list of these email marketing KPI benchmarks that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you take your email campaigns to the next level. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.